My home inspector did me dirty. Before I bought my first house, I paid for a home inspection because I didn't want to get screwed, and the house was a big piece of crap. I followed the inspector all around the house asking dumb questions just to make sure I got the most out of my money because I'm such a cheap ass. As we made our way around to the faucets, we noticed this. I asked why it was pumping like that, and he said it was probably just some air in the lines and assured me it was fine. That evening, I was out in the yard and I heard my well pump running for what seemed like forever. So I hit up my local YouTube university to get some answers. Turns out, this bastard was the problem. It's a pressure tank. There's a balloon inside the tank that's filled with air, so you get nice consistent water pressure when you turn on the water in your house. My problem was caused by the balloon breaking inside the pressure tank and causing the well pump to do all the work. So if you have a faucet that pumps water like this, check to see if your pressure tank is the culprit. Let me know in the comments, did you miss something like this when you bought a house?